Hey guys, just getting the rakes for the Colorbond. Some of you don't know how to do it. I've just got my 1200 level. I've got 2 marks on it. That's the length of the sheet. It's about 820. I normally do it 800 to 820. So I can do both sides. So if I'm going in the direction I'm going, but all we do, hold our level square or plumb, and then just put your ruler in, out this side, see, just on the top of the rail, run it plumb down, there, that's about 200 mil, that's 200 mil 4 on one sheet. So when Dill's cuts in, he'll measure the 200 mil, we've still got the 1790 flow through here, and he just cuts the sheet. We've got longer sheets, so he cuts the sheet longer to get our angle, and then they just all sort of slot in. That's how guys, what we've just done is we've taken the rakes over on the fence there where it runs down the hill. We're just going to transfer it to our sheets. I always work left to right, so I like to, we've got a sawtooth profile, so it's friendly both sides, looks the same both sides. I always like the lip edge to start in the, in the panel. We got Mr. Magoo looking over the fence at us. So we got the neighbour looking over the fence at us, or constantly following everything we do. Mark that out there. We've got a 30 mil 4. Come over here, Dylan, just have a look here. We mark our 30 mil here, and then we mark our length for our sheet, sorry, which will be 1830. And we just join the dots, the level. So we're just joining these. We cut that line. Move that up, nice. We cut that line, and that'll be the fall. So we've got longer sheets here to carry our load, and then we can just work that through. Our rail will then just sit over the top of that nice and neat, and we can get the flow. If you turn around, Dylan, have a look at the fence. You can cut them down like that. As you can see on some of those sheets, when we've got a steep angle coming up, sometimes we have to trim a sheet here because it's so steep and we can't get the full length, so we've got to trim, you know, 20 or 30 mil off, but then they stay nice and tight for us. That's how we rake our sheets for a Colorbond fence. We like to use a nibbler here.